Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to increase Google Chrome download speed. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to increase your Google Chrome download speed, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. In this, you can see at top right side 3 dot. Just click on that. Click on the settings. In this you can see search box. Just you need to type here track. After typing the track, you will find two track result. In this you can see cookies and other site data. You need to click on that. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, in this you can see send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Guys, in this you can see send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. By default it is disabled. You just need to enable this option. Click on confirm. That's it guys. So in this way you can increase Google Chrome download speed. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.